I had enough. So yun lang. Maybe I mean my time that I said I need to say I had enough. Right? I have a voice. I had enough. And I think when you do things, you need to be very careful about the consequences of the things that you do in life. We're all grown-ups. We're grown-up. We're all adults. Everything that you do, there is a consequence. And I refuse to let it pass anything from this point onwards. So that's basically who I am. I'm a very patient, I'm very kind, and I'm very forgiving person. But until the limit. When I get to my limit, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm the best person for you to fight.
Mukhang sa pagkakataong ito, wala nang planong patawarin ni Priscilla Meriles ang kanyang asawang si John Estrada sa pagkakaroon muli nito ng babae. Sa live ni Priscilla ay kinumpirma nito na may bagong babae ang aktor. Matatandaang bago pa nito sabihin sa live na may ibang babaeng kasama si John Estrada ay nagkomento pa ito sa bagong post ni John na kung saan nasa bakasyon ito. Sinagot ni Priscilla ang komento ng isang netizen na pabiro itong nagtanong kung sino ang kasama ng aktor. Ngunit hindi inaasahan ng publiko na si Priscilla ang sasagot dito. Tinagpa ng beauty queen ang pangalan ng babae na umano'y kasama ng kanyang mister.
So, it's a very cool night. Finished eating at the mall. Our mall is just beside the building. And we're super full. And my purple lips is sign that I had acai. Of course! Acai is the best! And of course, a lot of other things. So, kasama ko yung nanay ko, yung anak ko.
It was there. And Ali,
No, it's a different one, baby.
no, here. It said 5 and 6.
No, 5 is 6 here. There, baby. Because the next, the other one, baby. There. So, we're just going home and just wanna take the opportunity because early I was not able to shout out to anybody. So yung gagawin ko na yon. So sorry for my purple lips and teeth from acai, okay? New naman ba? I don't mind new naman ba si John? Grabe na ganda mo. Ay, ano ba to? Ay, naku po. Ganon talaga yung buhay. Eh, wala naman eh. Wala ano man. Ganon talaga eh. Pag itong ano nangyari, respeto lang yung gusto ko humingi sa kahit sino. Kasi, pati, especially kami mga babae, di ba? We deserve respect. So, yun lang po. So, respect ko lang gusto ko humingi kahit kay kanino. Kasi, palagi ko binigay na respect sa mga tao. Eh, pwede naman pumunta sa out of the bansa, di ba? Pwede pumunta kayo. Hello! Back ba ako? Ano nangyari? Ah, yes! Okay, we're back. Nawala na bigla. Oh, siguro internet connection kasi. Mag-divorce na John muna. Mo ana ni Rigor. Wala pang divorce sa Pilipinas, di ba? Paano tayo? Joke. So anyways, joke lang guys. Anyways, basta yung gusto ko sabihin, yung naputol ako is that konti respect lang, di ba? That's not much to ask, just respect. Konti lang eh, di ba? I think that's madali. Just to respect people, I think it's a must. We need to respect each other, we need to respect people. Eh, hindi ko talaga kaya yung mga tao na wala respect kahit kay kanino. Certain things that we need always to respect is family. We need to respect mga magulang. We need to respect mga asawa, tsaka mga anak, di ba? So, yun lang sasabihin ko. Respeto lang yung hingin ko sa kay kanino. Ayun. Ay, sa lahat na manonood na yon, yung live natin. So, nasa bahay na ako, nasa condo ko na nanay ko, kanina nasa rest house niya. So, yun. Ito yung gusto ko pa-share sa inyo lahat. Yung buhay ko dito dati sa Brazil. So, ito yung condo na nanay ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, we are actually what they call, it's like a balcony to, pero it's closed kasi siya eh, enclosed balcony. So, we just like have aircon. So, ganun lang siya. It's like where sometimes we entertain people dito. Tapos dyan is the living room. Lahat. So, yun. So, dito lang kami. Mag-enjoy ako yung family ko dito sa Brazil. And then, gusto ko pakita ko sa inyo yung view from here kasi we're in the penthouse. So, tingnan ko kung kaya. Teka lang. Yun. This is Manaus, guys. So, ito yung Manaus. So, yun. So, we're in the penthouse right now. So, there. So, yun. Okay, and we just like enjoying. Just came here to enjoy my family, to bring my daughter here so she can get to know more her culture, her Brazilian culture. And, of course, to rewind, I need to, I need some time for myself to think about life, to plan the future, my daughter's future, the future of my family. And, of course, the best way to do that is really go to your loved ones, right? To your family. Kasi sila talaga yung foundation. And I'm just so happy and so blessed to be able to share with you guys where I'm going. And I'm gonna be sharing even more in the next days, the days to come. And sa lahat na manonood dyan sa Pilipinas, I just wanna wish you all the very best. And I just wanna remind you all to always be kind. And we don't know the battles of the other person. We don't know what they're going through. In the end of the day, in social media, we all very spectators. Hindi nating alam yung mga dumadaan ng mga tao. Pero, we can never forget, palagi dapat we should always remember that respect is the most important thing that exists. Respect sa tao, respect sa family, respect sa bansa, diba? So we should always keep in mind that respect is more important even than love. For me, respect comes first and love comes next. So yon. So dahil dyan, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo lahat that I love you guys. I love the Philippines. I've learned and to love the country, to love the people. Pinoy talaga yung puso ko. And I'm just vacationing and I'll be back home soon. So, yan. And I hope to count on your support, to follow and share yung mga vlogs natin. And sa lahat ng mga friends ko, tsaka mga barkada ko dyan sa Pilipinas, I will be there in August. I'm just taking this time away to spend time with my family, to show my daughter around, to rewind, because there is a lot of things that I need to think, to plan my life, to plan, what's gonna happen next. And I'm just so blessed I'm able to do that all the way here in Brazil and in the US. Because sometimes it's better for you to take yourself out of the situation, so that you can think clearly, so that you can do the things that you need to do with a clear mind and heart. So there. So I want to also remind everyone that things that you see in social media, they're not always true to life. I hope you guys understand that being a celebrity, sometimes, we go through things and you do things and you do for the well-being of everyone. But it does not reflect who you are as a person. It does not reflect what you have in your heart. And sometimes you just want to hell to everything, I had enough. So yun lang. Maybe I'm in my time that I said, I need to say, I had enough. Right? I have a voice. I had enough. And I think when you do things, you need to be very careful about the consequences of the things that you do in life. We're all grown-ups, right? Lahat na social media, hindi para sa mga bata yan. We grown up. We're all adults. Everything that you do, there is a consequence. And I refuse to let it pass anything from this point onwards. So that's basically who I am. I'm a very patient, I'm very kind, and I'm very forgiving person. But until the limit. When I get to my limit, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm the best person for you to fight. Because, the nicest people, they turn to be the most dangerous people. Because when we give our best and we get to the limit of the abuse of certain people, we just throw, we don't care anymore. So I just want to wish you all the very best. Please do remember and remind yung sarili mo to be always kind to everyone. We don't know the battles that other people are going through. We are mere spectators in social media. We don't know what's going through. We just see what people want us to see, right? So yon. So love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Today is a new day. Tomorrow is an even newer day, and life goes on. Right? So good morning sa lahat and kita-kita tayo sa next live natin. Bye-bye. Love you guys.